It's an engineering design problem, so we are going to design this. So let's assume some values for this resistors and the voltage sources. So let's take this V1 as 3 volts, V2 as minus 2 volt, then V3 as plus 1 volt, V4 as minus 1 volt. Similarly, this R1 may be taken as 10 kilo ohm, R2 as 20 kilo ohm, and R3 30 kilo ohm, R4 as 20 kilo ohm, and this R5, which is the feedback, that can be taken as 40 kilo ohm. So this is your actually the feedback resistor. So we know the formula for the summing amplifier. This is nothing but the summing amplifier. So to find out the output voltage B naught, the formula is minus of Rf by R1 into V1 plus Rf by R2 into V2 plus Rf by R3 into V3 plus Rf by R4 into V4, because we have only 4 branches here available. So we substitute that values here. Here I already told you that this Rf is nothing but R5, right? Okay. So it is minus of, since we have the kilo ohms in all the resistors, just I'll put the values as 10, 20, 30 like that only. Okay. So Rf is 40 by this R1 is 10 multiplied by 3 plus 40 divided by 20 multiplied by minus 2 plus 40 divided by 30 multiplied by 1 plus 40 divided by R4 is 20 multiplied by minus 1. So now, so this is equal to minus of, this is 4 times, right? So it is 12. Then this is 2 times, so it is minus 4. This is plus 1.33. This is 2 times, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 12 minus 6, it is 6. 6 plus 1.33, so it is 7.33. So the answer is V naught is equal to minus 7.33 volts. This is your answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.